I'm excited. Get down.
There's all these nets here, baby.
Woohoo! Yeah! Just shot the bridge. You can't do that on the Free Bridges tour.
So we said goodbye to Davey and we're heading to Vis Island. Island's around 30 nautical miles away from where we're staying in Croatia. The weather has been pretty windy today. We've just hit our highest speed so far at 10 knots. A couple of times that's the fastest we've gone in our time at sea. We've got our big blue Jenica up, Louis. So we got to Vis.
It was a very, very quick sail. Top speed of the boat, 10.1 knots in around 30 knots with the Jenica up. So probably shouldn't have been flying the Jenica at that speed, but it was almost too strong a wind to pull it down. We're hoping to get this little submarine base all to ourselves, and I think we were foolish because it's the first day of a new charter week and there are a hell of a lot of boats here. And we spent all afternoon worrying about other boats hitting us.
So we anchored nearby in this little cove, which we thought we had all to ourselves, and this other giant catamaran, which is quite bigger than ours, came and anchored right next to us and stern tide. They seem to think that we won't swing onto them, and hopefully we won't, but their boat's definitely more expensive than ours. So this is the boat, which assured us they weren't parked too close. They've kindly offered to come out and help us put a stern line on. What do you think, Chris?
Well, I think, you know, we've been proved correct, but it's very kind of him to offer to take a stern line ashore for us.
Morning! So we left Vis after a pretty full-on night with lots of wind at anchor. Ended up stern tying, which was a good thing because otherwise we would have been running into our neighbour and also in the middle of the little bay we were in. It was a pretty uncomfortable night. We left early in the morning to go to another island called Lastovo, which is about 35 nautical miles away. It's good wind direction for it, but it's pretty rocky out here today. There's about a 3-metre high swell, so we're bouncing around. It's going to be a uncomfortable journey, I think. Beautiful sunset in Lastovo Island. We've been here for 3 nights now. We spent today doing a bit of relaxing, which was nice for a change. Did some route planning for the rest of our trip, and Chris did a bit of reading, amazingly, which he never usually does.
Yep, so I've started reading the sequel to Shantaram, Mountain Warrior.
Is it good?
It's alright, it's caught me.
This is Lastovo.
Well,
Lastovo
the town behind us is called Lastovo. We're doing good touristy stuff today. It's one good thing about having the boat tied up to a dock is that you can not worry about it. So we're on a 6-kilometre walk, something like that. Anyway, we just made it to the town and it's pretty. So the main thing that this town is known for is its ornate chimneys, and just behind us here is a chimney that dates back to the 16th century. Wow.
Fuma.
Fuma. This town is one of the second best places to look at the constellations in the sky at night. Since 99% of Europeans live in a light polluted environment, our guiding principle has been to protect the night sky of Lastovo and declare it the first European starry sky park, which I guess you just move around. This is not one of the fun things about boat ownership, being blissfully asleep and then getting woken up at 5 AM because there's 36 knot winds and you're worried you're gonna drag anchor and hit a couple of super yachts, maybe the wall over there. Anyway, we haven't dragged anchor. I've just lost a few hours sleep, so I guess it's not the end of the world.
Today we're in Dubrovnik. We're here to hopefully resolve what's been a 2-week-long saga around a water pump. The water pump that we have had been leaking slightly, so we wanted to get that fixed. So we bought a water pump. When Chris tried to fit it, it turned out that the pulley on it was wobbly, and hence started a 2-week-long saga of emails with the distributor. What's happened today is we've had a technical engineer from Myanmar on the boat. He's had a look at the pulley, he's confirmed that it's faulty and it's not working. So him and Chris have gone back to the Myanmar workshop to get the pulley swapped over, and fingers crossed the saga will be over.